Hi everybody, today we're in Booneville, Mississippi, where we manufacture our vinyl siding, and I'm here with Scott. Scott, can you tell us what you do here?
I'm the blending supervisor. We blend all of our raw materials here in-house. Our resin is unloaded into a silo. We take our bulk sacks, raw materials, we send them up 5 stories high into the air. We unload them into these hoppers upstairs, and our system will automatically weigh up formulation of the batches that we want to blend. And we blow it into the silos. We strictly blend going into the silos.
Okay.
And they pull from out there. We like for our material to be the ambient temperature outside, so we can get the consistency on the lines that we actually need. If the material was hotter and colder, it would affect the quality and everything. So we want to do it with the ambient temperature that we do outside.
Wow, there's a lot involved with that.
There's a whole lot.
I've seen the control room with all those screens and buttons and...
The system will tell us if there's too much, if there's not enough material. It will sit there and freewheel. It will not continue until a human acknowledges and tells it it's okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it will just sit there and just stay where it's at and spin. And
that's cool. Some safety features so it doesn't get out of hand.
Right.
Cool.
Right.
Well, Scott, thank you for giving us a great overview of what goes on here and how raw materials are taken from just that, separate materials, and made into vinyl siding. So, so thank you for taking the time to talk to us, because I know you're always busy. So thank you.
My pleasure.